Hello and welcome to the English 401 Research Guide and Research Starter tutorial. I'm Ben Peck, first year experience and student success librarian. I'm your personal librarian, your go-to for any and all questions about library research and locating and evaluating information sources. Meeting with a librarian is an important aspect of successful research, so I've given you lots of ways to get in touch with me. You can email me, or you can set up an appointment with me to meet in person or virtually through Zoom. This research guide is set up with two purposes. First, to connect you to the Research Starter tutorial, and second, to give you streamlined access to the best research resources and tips for English 401 projects. To complete the tutorial, you'll need to watch all three of the lessons in this tabbed box and review the How to Gift Tutorials tab, which will show you the nuts and bolts of using our library search box. The first lesson is a video about the research process and types of sources used for college research. The second lesson is actually an interactive module covering helpful search strategies. If you master the concepts here, you'll be ready to search like a pro. Finally, you'll get a virtual tour of Diamond Library that covers our spaces, resources, and services. After you tackle the Research Starter tutorial lessons, make sure to review the How to Find Gift Tutorials tab. This tab is set up to guide you through using UNH library tools to find the best sources. The final steps for you are on the Canvas site for your English 401 class. Once you log into that, you should see a module marked Research Starter. In the Research Starter module in your Canvas course, you'll be asked to practice searching using the library website and search box and save a source to your library account. Then you'll take a quick quiz to check your knowledge of the topics covered in the tutorial. Remember to revisit this guide later on if you need help with the quiz. As always, please contact me if you have any questions or if you want a little extra help.